Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your macOS build, so you pick compatible drivers. This matters because KEX are version sensitive. Next, identify the Wi-Fi chipset in Device Manager or LSBCI output. Broadcom often works natively, Intel usually needs a USB adapter or replacement, Realtek needs community KEXs. Once done, prepare a USB installer with proper EFI and copy the KEXs plus Clover or Open Core tools. Make a backup of EFI so you can revert if something breaks. You now install the driver KEXs into the EFI or S/L/E path depending on your bootloader. This is how Mac OS loads the hardware support at boot. Then edit config. Plist. Add kernel add entries, inject device properties if necessary, and apply ECP patches so the system recognizes the card. Once configured, rebuild KEXed caches and reboot. Rebuilding ensures Mac OS picks up the new files. Make sure system integrity protection is adjusted per guide, because SIP can block unsigned KEXs. You finish by verifying the card appears in system information and by testing scan/connect behavior. This confirms both hardware and firmware are correct. If it fails, inspect kernel logs for KEX load errors and conflicts, and then adjust KEXed order or ECP patches as needed. Small ordering changes often fix driver clashes. As a last resort, use a supported USB Wi-Fi or restore your backed up EFI. This troubleshooting step saves time while isolating whether the issue is KEXed, ECP, or hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.